Hello student, this is Sultan from NBGI Adarsh Vidya Mandir, and this is your biology class for class 11 and chapter number 2 beta, biological classification. Actually, firstly we will discuss about why does we need to biological classification. So beta, biological classification is an important role play for any organism life. Actually, in this classification we are using for another role, and we are knowing about the habit and habitat of all organism and their nature of and how does it occurs. Okay, so these are the most important criteria of the biological classification of any organism, and there are the some other different type of kingdom system are getting used in this chapter. So first is two kingdom system. Actually beta, two kingdom system firstly used by the Aristotle. Aristotle actually beta the father of biology. Okay, and he was divided into two parts of the animal. First is an animal and second is animal. In animal beta, that is presence of RBC, and now an animal beta, that is absence of RBC while presence of WBC. Okay, but this system is totally flawed because he could not discuss the variant classification. Variant classification mean beta the first classification including animal and second classification including kingdom plantae. Okay, now two kingdom system given by Linnaeus in 1758. One is the photosynthetic capacity, it's included by the kingdom plantae, and second, without photosynthetic capacity, its system included in animals. Okay, so we can say that they are divided the two kingdom. First is kingdom Animalia and second is kingdom Plantae. Clear? So the Carolus Linnaeus is also known as the father of taxonomy. Okay, the second kingdom beta, four kingdom classification. Actually four kingdom classification first is demonstrated by Copeland 1956, designed this system. According to this system, there are the some criteria are divided. First is kingdom Monera or kingdom Mycota. So in this system, kingdom Monera, the organism with insufficient nucleus. For example, beta, bacteria and blue-green algae. Second is kingdom Protista. In this kingdom involve the nucleate organism not having typical characters of plants and typical characters of animals. For example, red brown algae, fungi and protozoan. Next is kingdom Plantae. Those have cell wall and chloroplast and which produce sucrose, true starch and cellulose. Okay, next is kingdom Animalia. In this kingdom, the included in multicellular organism with during development pass through stages like blastula, gastrula, etc. And after this, the new kingdom are given by W.H. Whitaker. The most important and most popular kingdom, student, five kingdom classification. In five kingdom classification was the first proposed by R.H. Whitaker in 1969. The first kingdom beta, kingdom Monera, second kingdom Protista, third kingdom fungi, fourth kingdom Plantae and fifth kingdom Animalia. The first kingdom Monera, it includes the all microorganism with prokaryote cell. Nutrients is photosynthetic or chemosynthetic. Reproduction is asexual by fusion or budding. Second is kingdom Protista. single celled eukaryotes, for example beta euglena and amoeba. Nutrition by photosynthetic, absorption and indigestion, etc. Kingdom fungi. It includes multicellular heterotrophs as well as mushroom and as well as unicellular yeast. Reproduction both asexual and sexual are present. Kingdom plantae. It have cell wall with cellulose vacuolate, eukaryote cell, multicellular and autotroph. In last kingdom beta, kingdom Animalia. In this kingdom included all multicellular heterotroph with wall-less eukaryote cell. And after this, the sixth kingdom system are given by Carl Woese in 1990. Recognize this system as follows. The first is kingdom Eubacteria. You know student, this is the familiar bacteria like that cause both to decay and turn milk to yogurt. Okay, and kingdom Archaebacteria is the second. It also single celled prokaryotes that lives in harsh environment such as acidic, hot spring, salty lakes and cow's intestine. Third is kingdom Protista. Fourth is kingdom Plantae. Fifth is kingdom Fungi and sixth is kingdom Animalia. So student, this is the sixth kingdom classification. I hope that you would better understand of this class. So student, in next class we will discuss about the new topic of this chapter. So thank you students.